Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in 3-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get 2 videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 6. Video part 2, question number 15. The number of obtuse angles in the figure shown below, where AOB is a straight line, this is your straight line, and COE, it is given that 90 degree. We have to find the obtuse angle which is more than 90 degree. Okay? So see, it is 90 degree. So definitely this will be more than 90 degree. Angle AOC will be obtuse angle. Okay. Now angle EOB, angle EOB, this angle will be your more than 90 degree. Okay. Now the angle EOC हो गया आपका ये, और angle AOD, it will be angle AOD, it will be also obtuse angle. So we can say there can be 3 obtuse angles. So 15th answer will be option C. Okay? Question number 16. Find the number of the straight lines, find the number of the right triangles in the figure shown below, where ABCD is a rectangle, DM is parallel to BC and AN is parallel to BC. So how many right angle triangles are here? So देखो ANC, triangle ANC will be right angle, triangle DMB will be right angle triangle, and angle ABC and triangle CBD. Okay? Okay, triangle DMC and triangle ANB, triangle ANB. This side triangle we have not counted. Okay. Now we have counted total 6 triangles are there. So 16th answer will be option B. Come to question number 17. Find the number of common points in the 2 angles marked in the figure shown below. Common points in the 2 angles. ठीक है, ये इसके कितने common point? We can see 1 common point, 2 common point and 3 common points. ठीक है, so 3 common point, answer should be C. 17th answer will be C. Come to question number 18. Which among the following is incorrect for the figure shown below? PQ plus RS, this is PQ and this is RS, should be equal to PS minus QR. So this is PS and minus QR. Yes, इसको अगर आप माइनस करोगे तो ये दोनों आपके पास में बचेगा, करेक्ट है. Okay. Now PR, this is your PR minus PQ. अगर इस PQ को हमने माइनस कर दिया तो will be remained with the QR. It is correct. ठीक है. Now PQ plus QR, PQ plus QR equal to PS. PS कहां से कहां तक है? यहाँ पे PS minus PQ, इसके बाद माइनस PQ कर दिया, ये वाला हट गया, minus QR कर दिया, still RS is remaining here. So that's why option C cannot be correct. So this is the correct answer. 18th option will be C. Okay. Question number 19. Which among the following is correct for the figure shown below? There are 2 obtuse angle triangles in the figure. 2 ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल। तो देखो एंगल BAD ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, I am writing here angle BAD, angle CAE, angle BAE, more than 2, it cannot be correct. There are 4 acute angle triangle in the figure. So 4 angle ABC, angle, triangle ACD, triangle ADE, triangle BAD. It is no, but BAD can be obtuse. It is not. So 3 triangles are there. 3 only. Not possible. Okay. There are 6 triangles in the figure. So let's check it. Triangle ABC, triangle ACD, triangle ADE, triangle ABD, triangle ACE. Okay, now triangle ABE. Yes, we can say 6 triangles in the figure. So 19th answer will be option C. Okay, come to question number 20. Which one among the following statement is incorrect? Okay. Angle 0 is an acute angle triangle? No. For acute angle triangle, it should be more than 0 and it should be less than 90 degree. So more than 0, it is not possible. It is incorrect. So 20 answer will be option A. Okay. Come to question number 21. Adjacent angles in a plane have adjacent angle means this type of angle which has common arm, okay, has common vertex to correct, has common arm, one arm is common arm, yes, arms lying on the opposite sides of the common arm, yes, other 2 arms are lying in the opposite sides of the common arm. It is also correct. Option D will be the correct answer. 21 answer is D. To question number 22. 2 adjacent angles whose non-common arms are opposite rays form, देखो 2 adjacent angle, कोई भी एक adjacent angle हमने ले लिया whose 2 opposite arms, ये 2 opposite arms हैं making a ray, अगर ray बना रहा है तो it is a right angle? No. It is a linear pair? तो yes, linear pair बना रहा है. An adjacent pair and complete angle? No. So 22 answer will be option B. Question number 23. At 3 o'clock, how many degrees are there in the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock? So you can just see there is a clock. ये एक clock है. And you know 3 is at this point, 12 is at this point. The minute hand will be on 12 and the hour hand will be at 3. So it is making 90 degree angle. Okay? Or we know the angle between 2 consecutive small line is 6 degree. 2 consecutive small dots के बीच में 6 degree होता है. So there are 15 dots. So for 15 dots, it will be 15 multiplied by 6. It is 90 degree. So we can say it is right angle. 23rd answer will be option C. Okay. Come to the question number 24. Okay. Choose which one among the following statement is true. If 2 segments do not intersect, they are parallel. So it is not compulsory. Dekho, this is 2 line segment. I am making 2 line segment and it is not intersecting each other. But the line distance between them is decreasing. That's why it cannot be parallel. Wrong. If 2 rays do not intersect, they are parallel. 2 rays do not intersect, but it will just, its origin point can be common. So we can say it cannot be parallel. Okay? 2 lines are parallel if they do not meet even when produced. So there is 2 lines and they will never meet if their distance between them will be same everywhere. So if we just produce it, increase it, it will never meet, and never meeting lines are known as parallel lines. Option C is the correct answer. 24th answer is option C. Come to question number 25. Find the measure of angle P and sum of these angles in the figure shown below. Okay, here you can see there is a triangle PTR and a triangle US cube. Okay, US cube. There is two triangles. So we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle P plus angle R plus angle T, P plus R plus T should be equal to 180 degree. And angle Q plus S plus U, QSU, it should be equal to 180 degree. So sum of both types of angles should be 360 degree. It is in option number C. The 25th answer will be option C. Okay, come to question number 26. In a scalene triangle, the number of line of symmetry is. In a scalene triangle means there all the sides are different length. So you can see there is zero line of symmetry. Okay, zero line of symmetry. 26th answer will be A. Okay, come to question number 27. Which one of the following letters does not have any line of symmetry? Any line of symmetry, M has one line of symmetry, S has zero line of symmetry, T has one line of symmetry, E has one line of symmetry. So option B is the correct answer. 27th answer is option B. Come to question number 28. Which one of the following letters has only one line of symmetry? So one line of H has two lines of symmetry, horizontal, vertical, both. It has only one line of symmetry, vertical. It has two line of symmetry, horizontal, vertical, both. It has zero line of symmetry. So one line of symmetry, T have. That's option B. 28th answer is option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.